Well, Projekt Mayhem is all strapped down, wiped down, vacuumed down. So, strapped down, secured, nice and tight. Doors locked, keys in my truck. I'm gonna put the fender back on. All right, she's ready to roll. Toolbox is loaded up, a couple extra straps, toe strap, floor jack, spare tire. All I gotta do now is grab my laptop, and she's ready to rock. We're heading out first thing in the morning. Projekt Mayhem. Yes, she needs a little paint work. Get some paint matching done. It's got another set of wheels to go on it. These are like beater testing wheels. They fit really well. They drive really well, actually. Nice gurney flap on there. A lot of neat stuff about this car that's just different that you don't see. There's a couple of bespoke things in there that are just one-off, made by him. Very impressive stuff. All right. It all loaded up. Truck looking mighty good and shiny. All right, it's time for me to wrap up a few things, head home, get some dinner, and get some sleep. I got a lot of driving to do tomorrow. All right, bye guys.